Avi Meyer's Sunny Hirsch election special. We couldn't fit everybody on the regular TV show. Sorry about that. So we're running a series of election specials that will air on. You'll be able to see all of them on our regular network, on the different cable networks that we're on, as well as YouTube. And we hope you'll check it out, and we hope you'll get studious and go out election day and vote. And my next guest would very much like you to vote for her, and she is running for re-election for Clerk of the Circuit Court of Cook County. Dorothy Brown, how are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
Real good. A pleasure to see you as always.
Pleasure to be here.
And tell us what's doing in the world of the election.
Oh, it's so exciting going around, meeting all the people. What I love about it is going to the different ethnic groups and really letting them know exactly what we have done. You know, we don't have a marketing budget, Avi, so that means that people don't really know the things that we have done. So I talk about the fact that, of course, these are very serious times. And it's so important that we have a clerk of the court that's going to protect the records for all the citizens, especially those criminal records, and not just the privileged few. And so, and I've been doing that for the entire time that I've been in the office. I also explained to them that I have a background that is perfect for this office. I'm uniquely qualified. And it's important we have a clerk of the court that's uniquely qualified for the office, because this is like a multi-million-dollar corporation, the second largest court system in the country and probably in the world. And so you're talking about having my own finance department with budgeting and purchasing and payroll, my own general counsel, my own human resources, just 21 different locations. And in order to manage that process, you need to have the background. And then collecting $300 million a year and dispersing that to 950 different entities, and having 1.5 million cases, 6 million court hearings, and 18 million items of activity, 1,700 employees. That is a huge job. And so as an attorney...
Oh, and you used to have 2,200.
Used to have 2,300.
Ooh.
So it's going down. 1,700 is what's in the budget. I have about 1,600 that's actually on staff at any point in time. But it's a huge job, and so as an attorney, I understand the importance of the legal aspects of the office. As a matter of fact, I was actually able to get the state's attorney, who's my attorney, and the general counsel to actually take a settlement off the table, because I looked at the law and I said, this is why I and all the clerks of courts in the country have been doing this particular process this way. And they took the settlement off the table upon my instructions. They won at state court, one at appellate court, one at the Illinois Supreme Court, took it all the way to the United States Supreme Court, and won with my argument. So as an attorney, you need to understand those kind of things, because the buck stops here. And then as a CPA and an MBA, I can manage the financial aspects. I also have a background as an external auditor. I work for the largest accounting firm in the country, Arthur Anderson and Company.
Wow,
back in the day. Oh yes, I have an internal auditing background, so I understand business processes, complex business processes, and systems, because I was the head of the audit department for the Chicago Transit Authority, controlling those billions of dollars in assets and all those collection points. I actually helped Chicago Transit Authority put in its first automated fare collection system. And the other thing is, I have a minor in technology. And I have my own management information systems department, so I'm able to talk their language. That's why we have been able to put all of those different technology projects, make them effective. First of all, electronic filing. People say we don't have electronic filing. We have electronic filing. I am the largest court system in the country that has the majority of its case types, because LA County is the largest, and they only have small claims where you can electronically file. And you can electronically file the majority of my case types. We only have one that you can't right now, and we're in the process of getting that one in, and that's the county division. And then I have an imaging and document management system, which I actually came on this show and talked about, where we have almost 200 million images. So I have electronic records that we are able to put into the courtroom for judges. Many of the judges have computers on their desks. The chief judge put those computers on their desk. and they can pull up the images so the court case can go forward. Doesn't matter if someone tried to disadvantage the other side by actually taking some documents out, because we captured the electronic image of every document that comes across the counter or through the courtroom. We have electronic traffic tickets, and I know you don't get a traffic ticket.
Yeah, I don't have a
car. Oh, well, you really don't get traffic tickets.
Well, actually, I've had 19 traffic tickets. I was guilty of 18, but never been convicted.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Including the 93 on Western.
Oh, wow. Okay, but we have electronic traffic tickets. You're able to pay for your traffic ticket online or request traffic safety score. We have online order protection forms. They're turbo court type forms where a person does not have to know how to complete forms. They just answer the question and the form is created for them. And so these are things that we have done over the years from a technology standpoint. I have a mortgage foreclosure surplus search in case you have money coming to you from mortgage foreclosure. And then also have unclaimed child support check search. But the things that I want to do in my next term are the things that are very exciting. I want to put in a state-of-the-art case management system. I want to make the electronic record the official court record. I want all attorneys and individuals to be able to see documents over the internet.
Our court watch guy, Ed Smith, is going to like that.
Yes. And I want to have an expungement center so people don't have to wait for my expungement summit. They'll have a place to go. We want to partner with Cabrini Green Legal Aid or agency of that nature and put an expungement center in place. And I want to help fix the child support system once and for all. Child support collection system once and for all by putting individuals, custodial and non-custodial parents on a task force and working with them to come up with laws. These are the kind of things that I want to do as clerk of the court. So I humbly ask the citizens of Cook County to please re-elect me as clerk of the court. I have a heart for service, and that's what I have done all these years. It's important that you elect someone that will make sure that there is justice for all the people. Just as the Pledge of Allegiance has said, justice for all.
And what's your ballot number?
My ballot number is 162, so I want everyone to punch 162 because I am for you.
Dorothy Brown, Clerk of the Circuit Court of Cook County. Good luck in the election.
Thank you. Thank you.